Ooh. Alright, I'm seeing bubbles and stuff right here and there. Woo, I can feel it. Well, welcome to OAM Garage, where we're gonna work on our little truck today, trying to figure out whether or not the gas tank is any good. And I think a good way to do that is, well, I've already kind of prepped it. What I did was, I finally got the gas cap off. It was a lock gas cap, which I had no idea for 40 years what in the world happened to the key. So anyway, what I did is I vacuumed out a little bit inside it where there was a little bit of corrosion. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reverse the vacuum cleaner, and I'm going to hook it up into blow out the tank and see if it comes out in this hose right here, which I kind of suspect it won't. I think it's probably stopped up. I don't know, but I don't want to blow it back into the tank in case the tank is any good, right? Alright, so what we gonna do is we're gonna check to see if there are any leaks in the tank, and my suspicion is that there is, looking at that. Let's get this other stuff out of here. Oh, that's loud. That is loud, and that is heavy. Good night. Alright, here's the old Jeep. We gotta work on that soon too. Alright, so let's hook up let's see if we can let this window down. Can we let this window? Yeah, how about that? Hey fellers. I remember when that used to let down pretty good. Not so much. Alright, so let's move you and give you a good sight through there. There we go. Alright. I don't know if you're seeing this or not. What's this? Alright, so here's the old vacuum cleaner, and let's check it out. Ooh. Alright, I'm seeing bubbles and stuff right here and there. Woo, I can feel it. I must have gas in there. Look over there. There's another one right there. Alright, now I can smell that old gas, so it's got gas in it. Alright, well let's check and see if it's blowing any gas out of the nope. There it is right there. In fact, I don't even feel anything coming out of there. Well, looks like to me I'm going to be buying me a new tank and lines. So anyway, alright, well that's all I wanted to check right now. Yeah, that's not good at all. I wish it had smell-o-vision. You could smell that gas coming out that hole. Oh, well, alright then. So let's do something else. You want to? I do. Let's do it. Alright fellas, here's what I'm thinking. Ain't a whole lot more how far I can go here until I get some stuff. One of them being my fuel tank, okay? And I have ordered a fuel tank, gas tank. I ordered that today, and I also ordered a gas cap today. Alright, but I still need some stuff. I need, well, if you look, I don't know if, if you can see over there, I don't know if you can or not. That's the seat that come out of here. If you'll notice, there ain't a whole lot of, there is no seat in here. Yeah, there's the bad gas tank that we looked at a minute ago. All right, so the next thing I need to do is I need to weld up that back there, but I don't want to weld that up until I start working on my brakes, and I hadn't got it to that point yet. So I'm not sure exactly what my next step is to do. I know I want to fix the brakes, and that may be what I'll start getting into next. I don't know. Then I got, of course, install that bed, weld up all that stuff, and that'll be good when I get that done. But the main thing, if there's anybody out there that has a bench seat for 1947 all the way up to a 1955, I believe it is, it'll fit this truck. I don't really care a whole lot. I mean, I would love to be able to say, you know, just to put seat covers on the thing, you know. But I know I won't be that lucky. But I don't mind. I can order a kit that has the, you know, professional seat covers that'll make it look like, you know, original seat. So, but anyway, I got it running. I've noticed that that the transmission is kind of stuck in neutral right now, and so I've got some goozle on it, this, that, and the other, and I'm gonna be tapping on that, see if I can't get that freed up a little bit. But I mean, there's a lot that I can do as far as cosmetically. A whole lot on the inside, a lot on the outside as well, as you know. I mean, what do you do? I keep forgetting that I'm wearing actually a camera so that you can see everything I'm looking at. So as I had it running, when I had it running the other day, I did run up here and pull a battery cable off, and the battery cable, when I pulled it off, the truck stopped. So that's telling me, I think, I know with an alternator it tells you, wait a minute, I don't have a generator, I have an alternator. Okay, so that means my alternator's not good. It's not putting out, so I'm gonna need to work on that. I may take that up to O'Reilly's. I know that they can check it. I mean, I can do some painting here and there and this, that, and the other, but I can't until I get my seat in and I get my gas tank in. I can go ahead and start replacing some hoses and things like that. Yeah, I need to put that on here too. Let me see if I can write that down. Hoses. Well, like I say, if there's anybody out there, and I feel like there is, that has got an old bench seat, I really don't want to go back with bucket seats, even though they're cheaper and I can install them with you know, no trouble. I would like to try to keep the truck as authentic as I can, you know. So, but I know I might have to put seat belts in it and everything, but that's okay. We'll do all that. All right, I don't know, this may be all that I've got for today, but I'll be getting back in touch with you. I've got I'll put on the end of this thing, and in it in some places my email address, so that you can give me a write me, and or you can actually blah 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 blah. You can message me down in the down below. But anyway, I really need a seat for this thing. Like I said, I got a tank coming, I got the cap coming, I've got this, that, and the other coming, but until I can sit down, I know I could probably put a bucket in there, but I ain't gonna do that. All right, man, I'll see y'all later. This is Rick Wilson, OAM Garage. Y'all be sweet. Blah, 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 blah.